Chúc mừng Giáng sinh, Merry Christmas. Today we will make ham for Christmas. This is easy recipes. I bought the ham at Costco and they have direction, so we just follow and we will have yummy ham for Christmas. So let's start. This ham looks like this. This ham. So check this out and show you what you need to follow, okay? This is so easy. Usually I make ham for Christmas and turkey for Thanksgiving. So this ham you can eat with pierogi, sweet roll, and some green bean, traditional Christmas. And I will show you how to make pierogi, sweet roll, and also I love pineapple. So I will make the ham more juicy, more yummy. So just follow me. Let me see. Here they have direction right here. So let me see. They tell 12 or 15 minutes per pound. So let me see. This ham is 10 pounds. So 275 cover. Let's turn on the oven to 275. Start, and you need cover. I need calculate. But this hand. Now I have to cut this one, the back up. This ham already sliced, so easy. Put some cheese on, make the ham more juicy. Then the cheese you can put down here. I will cover the ham. My ham not sit on the bottom of the pan. The ham sit on this one. I forgot, so yes. See. The ham a little heavy. Sit on this. Okay, so you put there, and the ham on top of it. And now you put some pineapple juice under. But if you allergy with pineapple, you can put apple juice, cranberry juice, because this juice will have the ham moist and juicy. So now my oven 275. I will put the ham in the oven for 2 hours and 80 minutes. And then I will see you then. Hi, after 2 hours and 20 minutes. Oh, my hand. I take my ham out. Oh, smell amazing. Oh, heavy. So now I will raise the temperature of 425. But this time you don't need cover. Okay, and we will make the leg. See, we have a batter here. Let's see. Let me move this ham out so you can see. We will need, turn on the heat, and 3 tablespoons of water. See, no fit. You can do in the microwave, but I cook on the stove. Okay. It's simple. Just boil. Now I will show you how to let this boil. So we will put some pineapple. Look. But before I put pineapple, I want to put some clay on top, and then we put pineapple on. This is a beautiful, yummy recipe. Let me see. This one looks so good. I need some toothpick. You will need slice apple, pineapple slice. And then we are almost done. If you turn on 425 and you bake about 8 or 10 minutes, but be careful, just keep an eye on it, because this time is almost there. Already boiled. Boil. I will turn up the heat. Now we put some on the ham. Some on the ham. Smell amazing. Put over the ham. Hold on 1 second. Try to put under. and then you just keep back about 8 or 10 minutes. Put some pineapple on top of it. If you haven't tried ham with pineapple this time, you try this recipe. It's really yummy. Soft and sweet. They're amazing. Let's see if we have one. Oh, try. Oh, I can push one here. The juice will rip down in the meat. One more left. You could use one can. Okay. And now you put more honey clay on top of it. Use more toothpick. Look, amazing. We wipe my hand and then let's see the temperature almost with 425. 425. We bake 8-10 minutes. So see you 10 minutes. Bye. Hi, after 10 minutes, my ham. Let's check it out. Oh, it smells amazing. Look, guys. Look. More clay. This is a ray for Christmas. Oh, I need to turn up. Look. Ta-da! Hold up for you. So just follow how to make a ham, and you know, this is really good for Christmas. Also really good together with my devil egg I just made today. If you don't know how to make devil egg, follow my channel. So you will have a beautiful uh, Christmas dish, main dish, and dish side. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas.